Thinking about migrating one cloud to another cloud email service. Introducing GainTools Cloud Migration Tool. An effective solution to migrate data from one cloud email service to another. It maintains the quality of your email data and keeps them original and safe. It comes with an advanced filter option to migrate specific data to another cloud email service. It requires only the correct login details of the cloud server or webmail. Save the data as per the user's desire by creating a new folder. You can transfer email data of any size from one cloud to another cloud email client without any limitations. This webmail migration tool supports all IMAP servers. Supported and works on all Windows version, 32-bit and 64-bit. It supports multiple non-English languages, including Korean, Japanese, Chinese, etc. For any query, contact us.